I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Openbullet installed. Now get your config file ready. First, open Openbullet and navigate to the Configs tab so you can import immediately. You'll import a lowly or JSON file from your folder. Use the Import Right Arrow File option to pull it into the app. Once imported, make sure the config name appears in the list, and check basic metadata like author and version so you know which config you're working with. Once the config is loaded, validate it immediately. Use the built-in checker to catch missing headers, rejects errors, or bad sequences. You should then review the proxy profile, pick HTTP or SOCKS, and test 3 to 5 proxies to confirm connectivity. After that, tune timing, retries, and concurrency so the config behaves like a real client and avoids rate limits. Make sure to save these adjustments and rerun validation to confirm no new errors were introduced. You're ready to test. Run a short batch of 5 to 10 inputs and watch the log and request/response details closely. If you see false positives or unexpected outcomes, inspect the response bodies and adjust rejects, success conditions, or sequence steps accordingly. Make sure to try toggling proxy types and reducing concurrency. If issues persist, revert to a previously working config or rerun the validator. These steps usually reveal overlooked headers or timing problems and get the config stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.